to Xaahu-Buwari Paghar. For those of you who are new to our channel, I am Isha.
And I am Papuri.
Today I am making an Assamese dish called Noroxingho Maajor, fish in curry leaf. This is a very easy and tasty dish.
So friends, without further delay, let's begin.
Let's look at the ingredients needed for this recipe. Rohu fish, salt, turmeric powder, pepper powder, green chilies, crushed garlic, onion, curry leaves and mustard oil. Also water for the gravy. So first we will shallow fry the fish. Add some salt and turmeric to it. I'm taking salt according to taste. Turmeric powder. Gently rub it over the fish. Flip it over and do the same thing on the other side as well. Now let's fry the fish. We'll heat the pan in medium high, and once it's hot enough we'll add the oil. The pan is hot enough, let's add the oil. The oil is hot enough, now we'll add the fish. Just be very careful, it's going to splatter. We are going to shallow fry it, so we don't need to fry too much. So maybe around 3 to 4 minutes one side, and then flip it over again another 3 to 4 minutes. It's been few minutes now, so I'm going to flip the fish over. The fish has been frying for around 4 minutes in the other side as well. So now it's ready to be taken out and we can proceed to make our curry. For the gravy, we have to make a fine paste out of the curry leaves. Add a bit of water so that it's easy for us to blend. The paste is ready. This is what it should look like. So now to make the curry, we are going to use the same oil that we used to fry the fish. This recipe can also be called as a one-pot recipe. So we are going to keep it in medium high. First, let's add the garlic. We'll fry it a little bit. Now goes the onion. Fry it till it's golden. The beauty of Assamese cooking is that it takes very less oil. So all your health fanatics, this is the recipe for you. So the onion is fried enough. Now I'm going to add my spices. So add a little bit of turmeric powder, some pepper powder, a little bit of the salt. We can add salt later if we need more. So now we are going to add the curry leaves. Just be careful again. Curry leaves have a lot of medicinal values, so this is going to be a very healthy recipe. Now our vegetarian friends, you can use potatoes or dal vada instead of fish. Now I'm going to add some water. You can keep the consistency according to your preference. Cover it and let it simmer for a few minutes. So it's been simmering for a few minutes now. Time to add the fish. Now we'll add the chilies as well. Again, cover it and let it simmer for a few more minutes. So it's been few minutes now. Let's check our fish. And looks like it is done. So I'm going to turn it off and transfer it to another dish. I'm going to garnish it with some cilantro. The Noroxingho Maajor is ready. This goes best with steamed rice. So now guys, I can see my hubby is getting anxious to have a go at it. So let's wrap it up and so that I can join him.
Dear friends, we hope you enjoyed the dish and will give it a try. Also, if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please do. We'll be back next week with another recipe. Till then, bye.
Xaahu-Buwari is